New jobs numbers are out today, and the stock market did not react kindly. The slide in numbers also follows President Trump's announcement of new tariff rates. As Fox 5's Caroline Shively reports, there's also a new timeline for their implementation.
The Dow took a nosedive Friday morning as the unemployment rate climbed to 4.2%.
This is a disappointing number.
The U.S. added 73,000 jobs in July, lower than the expected 110,000. May and June were also revised down.
Those are incredibly weak headline numbers, and that's the total, not just private jobs.
This all comes on President Trump's so-called tariff day. But despite White House claims Thursday afternoon that the tariffs would kick in Friday,
August 1st, the reciprocal rates will be going into effect.
Thursday night, Trump rolled back the implementation of most of them until August 7th.
These are the highest level of tariffs that we've seen, and this is a great deal for the country.
There are some exceptions. Mexico has another 90-day delay, and Canada's hike went into effect Friday, going from 25 to 35% on products not covered by a trade deal from Trump's first term.
By putting double-digit tariffs on these imports, things that are largely not grown at scale in the United States, or where we can't run our economy without importing some of it from overseas, that will raise costs.
Administration officials point out they've already made multiple agreements, but Democrats say they're bad ones.
It's all talk, no substance. All hat, no cattle, and raises the costs for average Americans.
Friday's bad news could actually get Trump something he wants: lower interest rates. Fed Chair Jerome Powell was unmoved by Trump calling him a loser and a moron, but weak jobs data could push the Fed to make a cut next month. In Washington, Caroline Shively, Fox News.
President Trump has started a big push to lower prices on prescription drugs. The president sent letters to 17 of the big pharmaceutical companies telling them to deliver immediate pricing relief and sell their drugs to Americans at the same rates they do in other developed nations. The letters cite an executive order signed in May that mandates Americans get access to drugs at most favored nation pricing. The president says he wants to go further and predicted drastic price cuts, but he says he's willing to take on Big Pharma.
We're going to get him down 1,000%, 600%, 500%, 1,500%, numbers that are not even thought to be achievable, because I've used a certain talent that I have and convinced the drug companies that you have no choice.
The drug makers say they're already working with the feds to bring down prices, and this type of public admonishment isn't helping. The president has asked drug makers to start lowering prices by the end of September.